custom travel request object. This is the object we have created and also tested. So we have used different object data types like string, user, date, foundation object, generic object, and foundation object, attachments and dates. Okay. And also we have used custom field for club. Now we can see we have also tested this in the manage data. I think we have also written some rules in the yeah, we have written some rules under one field, I think, user field. Yeah, travel location default. When this rule will default the base location of the user based upon the user location assigned to the user. Employee name not equal to null, then base location to be equal to the employee job information location. Okay. Now in the manage data, travel request object, serial number 1, and we have created the default screen for this. In the default screen, I think there is some mistake happened, so it has duplicated the fields. So I need to first I will just remove these duplicated fields and configuration UI. Manage configuration UI. Travel UI.
Hello, am I
Creating a
audible now?
new. Yeah, I can hear you now.
Oh, finally, Bluetooth say I was able to connect. Thank God.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. Sorry for this.
Fine. Okay. This is I'm just changing the UI of the object we have created. Yeah, I'm not changing any groups. I'm just saving this as a default screen. Save it. Yeah. Refresh it. Now I am going to this manage data.
Now we are trying to display it on the home page of that employee as a tab.
Right.
Okay.
That is the next step. I will show you how we need to assign that UI to the
Uh-huh.
employees profile.
Okay. Employees profile.
Yeah. Travel request serial number 1, employee name Nandini. Yeah, legal location department. Traveling to everything will appear and it will trigger the workflow to the manager. And now we can there are no permissions provided to the employee to use this object. So we need to assign this object in the employee profile so that employees can use this object to request travel reimbursements and travel tickets. Okay. For that, we need to go to the configure people profile. Configure people profile is the configuration where you can change the complete employee UI, okay, employee profile UI. For example, I am taking any employee profile.
Just one recap of this like step. We need to create the object, we need to assign the UI, and then we are assigning this UI to people's profile.
Correct.
Okay.
This is people profile. We have the different portlets we have seeing under me, employment, talent, employment, and time and benefit. These are the port compensation. This visibility of these different portlets is controlled in configured in under configure people profile.
Okay.
Here,
That is the command, right? Configure people
people
profile.
profile. Yeah. Here we said there are the different objects, different portlets here from top to bottom. You see the name is me here. Okay. This is one section under. So this me object you can find under me under people profile.
Object means
Under
I will get
me,
it. Okay.
under me we have personal information, ID, biographical address, payment information. Okay, these are the different portlets under me section. So we can see that personal information, ID, biographical address, and payment information. So these are under me portlet, me
Me
section.
section.
Yeah.
Hmm.
So if you want to disable anything, you just need to disable this check mark. Show this
Yeah.
subsection on the profile. If you remove this, then it won't appear. Okay? You can see the remove mark
Okay.
will appear here. Okay,
Hmm.
and the labels. This is the label of this personal information label. Okay, if you want to
Okay.
add the translations, okay, then you can enter the translations also.
Mhm.
In the different German, English, default language, UK, US, and Spanish. Everything is by standard will appear because this is standard portlet. So the translations will be automatically provided by SAP.
Yes, it.
Under personal information, this is the personal information section portlet.
Hmm.
This is the personal information is one section here, and one section this is subsection. Under subsection,
Mhm.
this is the actual portlet.
Okay. Hmm. Good.
Similarly,
So
for
the field and everything will be the field and everything will be working as we configure the object, है ना?
correct,
I mean,
correct. So you can configure fields of the edit dialog here. You can also configure the fields also, the visibility, the order. Okay.
hmm, okay. Appearance of the portlet.
Yeah. Which field you want first? Which field you want next? So which field you want to disable? You can change these fields. Okay. Like drag and
Okay.
drop.
Okay.
And if you want to add any links here, then you can add a links also. URL, which
Link.
what
Okay.
is the text to be displayed of the link? What is the purpose of the link? You can also enter some instructions and the URL.
Hmm.
This is the same functionality for all blocks. ID
Link in
information,
sense
relational.
when we required link to paste here.
Links means if your customer wants to provide any some links, for example, benefits
Hmm.
portlet.
Policy documents.
So
Okay.
yeah, policy documents or any documents will be there so that employees can read,
Hmm.
or so that you can enter that links here. Maybe
Okay.
not applicable for personal information, but company policy documents which are applicable for benefits or compensation. So those links we can enter here.
Okay.
And this configuration, the personal, you can see the national ID information. Here it is not possible to change the fields. Whenever you
Mhm.
select the personal information, you can get the additional option to configure the layout of the fields. But it's not possible for national ID or work eligibility because there are very less fields are there.
Okay.
Under biographical information, address information. But again, address information, it is possible to change the layout of the fields.
Okay.
And emergency contacts or emergency contact dependence portlet, it is disabled. So it is not visible here. Once we enable it, show, then save, we need to save that object, then it will be visible. Saved successfully, you need to refresh it. Emergency contact and dependence. This is enabled. Now, it was not there previously.
Hmm. Okay.
Second. Like this, it is applicable for all objects. Okay, this is employment letters. If you want to enable the employment letters, you can enable it. Depending upon the customer requirements. Okay.
Okay.
Similarly, one more section is there. Next section is employment. Okay. You can also
Hmm.
drag and drop this.
The field we want and it
Change.
this the
You can
I
change.
the I sign means it is visible there or
Right.
it is not visible.
It is not visible. See here,
Okay.
show this subsection in the profile. You need to select it.
Okay.
Then this will be visible.
Okay.
Eligibility for advances. Okay.
Hmm.
Save. Under org chart, we have enabled the org chart and org information, job information. Again, job information also it is possible to change the layout of the fields or to add the links. Which field you want first and which field you want to next. Alternative, you can change the layout of the fields. Okay. And job
Okay.
description. These are complete standard profiles. Okay.
Hmm.
All portlets are not required for customers, so we will disable some of the portlets which are not required by selecting the
Okay.
options. Okay.
Okay.
We don't show everything on the portlets. Talent profile also we don't show everything. So only the required portlets we can enable by using this option. Show this subsection on the profile. Everything under compensation portlet. Here also same. You can add the links of company policies of any payroll policies. You can add the link where employees can download the objects documents. Now this is payroll information. This is required if you have enabled, if you are using the employee central payroll. So this payroll block is mandatory. Okay, without payroll information block, employees are not able to see their pay slips. Under payroll block only the pay slips will be employees can see their pay slips and download the pay slips. If it is not enabled, then this payroll information is not enabled for all employees. Here nothing will be there. Only we need to enable the payroll information block. There are no fields because this is a PDF document where employees can download. Once you enable this, the PDF payslip will be enabled. Similarly for time management, this is a time management block. Okay. No fields will be there, but just by enabling time management block. And if you implemented benefits, then we need to enable the benefits subsection, benefits block under different subsections. Okay. Now coming to our custom travel
Customer
request is a
custom
travel
object.
custom block, custom object, right? So we can come to the bottom and click on add a new section.
Okay.
Here untitled will appear. So you can change the title. Employee travel request. Okay.
Hmm.
Travel request. Save. Okay. And what is the block? Save it. So why it is not enabling that? It is not. It is not providing the option to add the profile. Yeah, select it. The block is not. So whenever I select this block, it should appear like this.
Mhm. And what is this? Screen ID.
Screen ID. We
Is
need
it
to enter the
UI?
screen ID.
Is
Yeah,
it
UI
UI?
ID we have created in the last
Oh,
step. We need to just add that.
okay.
Okay. I'm not sure why it is not providing option, but I can show you here. We can use any existing one. Like HR counseling, I will change the label, okay, to travel request. I will remove this subsection. Okay. Yeah, HR counseling history. I will change this to employee travel request. Counseling, I will just enable this and change the label. And live profile information. So we need to select the live profile MDF information. This will come by automatically. Live profile MDF information means because so we are assigned the MDF object, the custom MDF object. So we need to select the live profile MDF information. Under live profile MDF information, you need to select that screen ID. Travel, I think travel.
Uh,
Hmm,
I this blue part is come automatically. Now do we
you're
need to
right.
remove it? What is this? Okay.
Sorry.
We need to remove this live profile MDF information.
Yeah,
Okay.
something wrong. Yeah. See here under talent, okay, employee information, personal information, compensation information, custom blocks, job profile builder. Okay. First, we are building the custom blocks. So select the custom blocks and live profile MDF information. You need to drag and drop here.
Okay. So like this,
Okay.
all the information will be coming under our portrait.
Correct.
But why it is not coming?
I have created the UI, right? I'm just save it and I will come again. I think we need to refresh it, I believe. To configure object definitions. Travel UI label also I will change as a travel request. Security is no. Okay. Miscellaneous permissions. Save. To configure people profile. Scroll down, select this. Yeah, our UI is not appearing. check the voluntary separation request. Think we need to enter this external code field. Travel request, make take action. Here we need to enter the external code and also here external code. Save it. Okay, required. Okay, now we see if it is working. Still not working. So what is the issue? Actually, it should come by default whenever we select that live profile MDF object. This should come by default. Can log out and log in. Configure people profile. Okay, I will check this. What is the issue? Okay, I can show you by tomorrow. Okay,
Okay.
but this is the complete process. So after creating the UI, so we need to create a section. Under section, this is subsection, and you have to select the live profile MDF information. Okay, then you can assign the screen ID which you have created in the configuration UI and save it. So this
Okay.
is complete people profile. Without adding the custom objects in the people profile, employees are not able to open or access the custom object if we have created for employees.
Okay.
And
So
under
this is
general
the whole
settings
process.
also,
This is the
Sorry?
complete process to define.
Yeah,
This is
this
a
is the
complete
complete
process to
process.
define. Okay,
Yeah.
totally. And if we
It,
want to add under, for example, under already existing me section, then we need to add the field here.
correct. You need to add the blocks here, the main section. And these are the general settings. The general settings like allow employees to edit their background image and disable background image uploading by employees. Okay. Allow employees to upload audio file for name pronunciations, read my name agreements, and allow employees to upload about me video. Permissions to providing employees to do these transactions and allow employees to enter introductory text. Maintain the pronouns, all the percentage complete, show percent complete, that is for profile percentage. If something is missing, then it will show you the percentage 100% or 70% something. Set all fields as expanded by default. Okay. And choose name format. Which format you want. Okay. This is the different formats.
So this
First
thing
name or
will be
last name.
applicable. Whatever we select here, it will be applicable for all.
All
All
employees. Yes. Yes.
no, all sections means
All
me
sections.
or the okay. General.
With talent data settings. So include talent data within this date range. Okay, if you want to provide access to employees only for particular dates, you can select the dates. Okay. And only employees will be able to see this data within this date range. Include talent data from this process. Okay. Which year? All data sources or the employee scorecard or 2023 process.
Okay.
And choose employment differentiator. Employment differentiator. I'm not sure what is this. Employment differentiator. Include in progress forms also if you want to select the form. This is coming from the performance management module with the performance review is in progress. So you can, if you want to include the data from the progress forms also, you can enable this option, include in progress forms.
Talent profile. Okay.
Yeah. This is completely performance management module. And configure header fields also is there. Header fields, photo, username, header fields means the fields which we see by whenever we enter any profile. So these are the header fields. I like job, okay, local time, everything. This is the username.
Header means whatever comes in front of the employee photo. Okay.
Yeah, here. Okay. Photo, username, title, department, okay, time zone, local time, phone number, email. You want to select everything, then everything will be enabled. You can also create custom fields and make them visible in the custom fields section. Okay. Custom fields, three custom fields are there. And social network, Facebook, I think Facebook URL will be visible. LinkedIn, Facebook and LinkedIn.
Okay.
Save it. Now back and refresh. See, location, local time, everything is visible. Leadership, LinkedIn also it will provide you option to sign in.
Business phone.
Business phone number and his email ID.
And where we can say that LinkedIn and every other things.
LinkedIn here. The
Okay.
box is there. Link hyperlink is there.
Okay.
So this is about complete people profile. And I'm not sure why this MDF object is not appearing. Okay, I will check this and I will let you know.
Okay. Hello.
And now we have left with alerts and notifications, the rules. Okay, and import employee data. Think we can complete it in by week, maybe in this week or by next week on Monday.
Sorry,
And
come
if you
again.
have any, we have left with only the alerts and notifications topic is still there, and import employee data. Also, I need to explain data migration.
Hmm.
And so these two topics are pending. Maybe we will be able to complete these all topics by this end of this week or maybe on Monday.
Okay, we have today is Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Okay. Okay. So, Shrikant, is it possible when I like later if I can request you for this login? Right now you can close it, and later when I ask you, can you please open it for few days for me, this server access for a week
Okay,
or two?
yeah, sure.
But you don't reply on emails. How will I reach you? Reach out.
Actually, I am very much tired. Okay.
I know, I understand. I totally understand. But I, yeah, I sent you an email also.
Yeah, yeah, I will. I need to find some time. Okay.
Uh, that will be
Yeah, we
fine.
can
But just
connect
an
if
assurance
required.
will do. Huh?
I will try to maybe this weekend we can connect Sunday.
This weekend. Okay. Chale. This
Okay.
weekend, Sunday. 31st, I will be in traveling this week. But
Okay.
in
Is it
case, in
possible
case I
for
will be
me
in traveling, I will tell you.
Saturday? Saturday, can we connect in early morning?
I will travel from Friday. If I will be traveling, I will let you know. Otherwise, we will keep it on Sunday for now. I will just
Okay. Okay.
update you.
Okay.
Yeah.